Okay, so I walked into Jane's shop based on Google's recommendation and Yelp, which was very helpful. So I came in with a bunch of questions because I was nervous about how I was going to take my big afro hair and turn it into dreadlocks. I didn't know what I needed, didn't know what I wanted. Well, I knew what I wanted, but I didn't know what it was going to look like, so I was nervous. But then I showed Jane my pictures, and I said I want something low maintenance. I don't have to come in here all the time, because I just want something easy. And she assured me the interlock process, so that's what she gave me, and I love it. And our conversation made it feel like 5 minutes. It lasted a while, now that I'm thinking about it, but I went by fast because she's great at conversation and what she does. But I am so happy with this, my starter locks, because I've never had dreadlocks before. I've never had anything other than a shortcut. And now I'm going to go on this, this experience with longer hair. With my Killmonger hair. So we'll see how it goes. And I love it so far, so I know it's only gonna get better.